Hi, let's talk about how you can use Genie's keyword rank tracker to, well, track your keywords. You start by signing up for the 7-day trial or creating a new project. In either case, you will be taken to this screen. Here, you can do a bulk upload or enter keywords in the text box. If you decide to go for a manual upload, you should enter a campaign name, choose a target region, enter your keywords, choose the search engine. Notice that Google is selected by default, so you can also choose Bing if you want. Same goes for devices. Desktop is selected by default. You can choose tablet as well as mobile. You can also unselect or deselect any of the options. Every option you choose will have an impact on your keyword count, which you can see in the section below all the options. You can also see how many keywords you have left. The number of keywords increases because the platform takes each combination as an individual keyword. After doing this, you can click Next to get results, or you can submit and add another campaign if you have another campaign to track. Hitting the Next button will take you to the Rank Tracker section in the platform. As you can see, the platform will start searching for the rankings of these keywords and will present the results in a few seconds. If the rank appears to be 0, the platform is still searching for the keyword. If the rank appears to be greater than 200, it means your website does not appear on the first 20 pages for the given keyword. Oh, and on the top right-hand corner of the screen, you can switch between Google and Bing. That is, if you chose Bing earlier. Now, let's go back and see the bulk upload option. You have to press the plus sign to add more keywords, which will take you back to the upload screen. To upload the keywords in the form of a spreadsheet, you first have to download the example sheet. You can do that by clicking on the download link. This will download a spreadsheet to your system. Open it. As you can see, it has 8 columns. In the first column, you enter the region. In the second column, you can enter the keywords. In the third column, you can either yes or no for Bing. In the fourth column, you can either yes or no for Google. The same goes for the other 3 columns. You just have to enter yes or no for mobile, tablet, and desktop. In the last column, please enter a campaign name. With the help of this spreadsheet, you can upload thousands of keywords for rank tracking in one go. Once the sheet is ready, save it and upload it by clicking on the Browse button. The Browse button is located on the same screen from where you downloaded the spreadsheet. Use it to upload the file that you just saved. Once you do that, you will go to the Confirm Submission screen. This is the last stop before Genie starts searching for the keywords. Make sure the region is correct, the keywords are showing up properly, and hit the Confirm Submission button. This will take you back to the rank tracker. Here you can see that the keywords I entered earlier are all showing up along with the new keywords. After your first upload, the platform will crawl the internet weekly and get the latest ranks for you. You can also download keyword history in the form of a spreadsheet. You can also get same-day data by clicking on the Get Latest Ranking icon, as you can see on the screen. You can download the history of all your keywords in one sheet or download individual keyword history. So, this is it for today's video. This is how you can use Genie's keyword rank tracker. Do reach out to us if you have any questions.